and your 2022 F-22 demonstration fighter pilot with more than 1,700 hours flying fighter aircraft from Tampa, Florida, Major Joshua Cabo Gunderson. You are about to witness the maneuvering capabilities of the most advanced and most lethal fighter aircraft in your United States Air Force. The F-22 you will see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. And while we can't show you everything that makes the Raptor the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust vector maneuvering capabilities as it executes maneuvers that no other fighter aircraft in the world can perform. The Raptor plays a vital role in the defense of this nation and represents your Air Force's dedication to aim high, fly, fight, and win, ensuring our ability to meet any challenge, under any conditions, anytime, anywhere in the world. As today's demonstration begins from your left, you will see the Raptor execute a maximum power pull, producing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. At a safe altitude, Major Gunderson will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing his flight path, and then roll while diving straight down. So now, it's time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today. Your United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. Pull more than 9 times the force of gravity. Watching the right, the Raptor demonstrates its turn capability with a mid-radius horizontal turn that powers straight up into the vertical. Then watch as Major Gunderson changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition. Firepower of the Raptor comes in any combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly agile skyfighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons system. Ready your cameras as the Raptor banks in from the left and cycles its weapons bay doors. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors, veterans in attendance, and those who have given their lives defending this great nation. This will be your best photo opportunity, so get your cameras ready to capture this salute. Now, from behind and to the right, the F-22 Raptor proudly presents the dedication pass.
They were there, fighting back on the front line, got them out there before. The last name that was passed down, every day we night at the moment we were here. They were
The F-22 possesses the ability to point its nose at will, even at extremely low airspeeds and high angles of attack. Watch closely as the aircraft pulls into the vertical and it executes a full 360-degree aileron roll. At altitude, the jet will flip backwards and level off. Then, in less than 2,000 feet of altitude and under complete control, Major Gunderson will execute a full 360-degree flat turn. Why the aircraft is unmatched. This car through a loop and doubles its altitude with the aircraft. You will see the Raptor rotate around one spot in the sky, utilizing the vectored thrust of two powerful F-119 engines, which literally flip the aircraft through the vertical and back to level flight. Following the power loop, you will see the Raptor perform the loaded roll. Turn tight. Many jets can run quickly, and many jets can climb fast, but not many can slide. Watch now from behind as the Raptor flies over, pulls straight up into the vertical, and while bringing his throttles near idle, under complete control, the F-22 Raptor will actually slide backwards.
I never feel so
characteristics are phenomenal. Watch now as Major Gunnison repositions the aircraft to crowd left, reducing the power while loading up on a high angle of attack. The Raptor will slow down to less than 86 miles per hour. After the pass, you'll once again feel the raw power of the jet as Major Gunnison lights those afterburners and climbs straight into the vertical. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, the Raptor's slow speed pass. The F-22 possesses the capability to reach speeds and altitudes that make it virtually untouchable, even without using its afterburners. Accelerating from 86 to nearly 700 miles per hour, Major Gunnison will now set up to perform a split-S reposition into a high-speed pass, showcasing just a fraction of the aircraft's super cruise and full-speed capability. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for freedom slip on the high-speed pass. The F-22 will now set up to perform a Hoover pitch. Named after the most beloved aviator of our time, this maneuver is a double knife edge separated by an inverted tuck, followed by a pitch to line up in preparation for heritage flight. This will be another great opportunity to capture the Raptor on your camera during our demonstration. Ladies and gentlemen, named after the late legendary Bob Hoover, the Raptor's Hoover pitch.
It's free like a name.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take a moment to describe the unique history of what you are about to watch. In 1997, the leaders of Air Combat Command assembled a select group of retired military and civilian performers to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. In 2010, the Air Force Heritage Flight Foundation joined with the United States Air Force to keep this popular program flying. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of Air Force history from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Please turn with me now and watch as this rare formation approaches from behind and to the right.
To those who've had to fly and fight, who have served their country in the sky, with a grateful heart and watchful eye, we and may the faithful proud machines who bore the sword of freedom on their wings begin
would like to dedicate today's Heritage Flight to all military veterans and attendants whose sacrifices over the years have helped preserve America's freedoms. We hope you enjoy watching this rare formation of classic and current United States Air Force aircraft on our journey from heritage to horizons. Ladies and gentlemen, who wants to see a Cobra maneuver? Here it comes from the left with the F-22 Raptor.
You know we sent a man to the moon, and before we're done, yeah, we'll probably send a man to the sun. America. Look.
Personal favorite, the F-22 Raptor, tactical. Gentlemen, this concludes today's Raptor demonstration. We hope you've enjoyed this brief display of only a fraction of the F-22's full combat capability. It's a key component, the most capable Air Force the world has ever known, your F-22 Raptor. ready to defend our nation's skies, dominate the battle space anywhere on the world. Remain high, fly, fight, and win, air power, anytime, anywhere. See us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at F-22. And once again, on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mark Kelly, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, thank you for your attendance. Thank you for your patriotism. And thank you for your support.
Cabo's going to taxi in and we'll get a chance to show some appreciation. And of course, Kevin Eldridge too with that beautiful P-38 as we wrap up the flying part of the air show. I want to remind you that, of course, the static display area remains open. You can grab a beverage, a cold Budweiser. You can grab some food, a nice cold drink. There's lots on hand. Feel good with the purchase, knowing that the stands are staffed by local nonprofit organizations as fundraisers for their groups. And there's lots on hand, even some ice cream, some Haagen-Dazs in there. Maybe you want to grab some of that. Sierra Select, Spud, Sunbelt Rentals, Tykert, Rancho Cordova Travel and Tourism, Mark E. Loper Photography, Elite Power, CA Family Fitness, some of the other folks who've helped out this weekend. Of course, most airports believe their job is getting you to point A from point B. At the Sacramento International Airport, their job is to make sure you enjoy your trip. And they've been great help this weekend too. Sacramento International Airport, what a trip. The county can't say enough about their love of the air show and all that they offer here. The Sacramento River Delta is ideal for boating, fishing, and windsurfing. The American River Parkway is one of the top urban bike paths in the U.S. 15,000 acres of regional parks, feature golf courses, boat ramps, picnic areas, equestrian trails, hiking paths, and more. You can find out about zacparks.net. Oh, and this annual air show, of course. And of course, in the Farm to Fork capital of America, offering this fun and adventure, and the city of Rancho Cordova, a great supporter of our event too. Elliott Homes. The name Ram means Ram Tough Trucks, and Lasher means a great deal. They've been great supporters too. And of course, we want to thank the folks from AARP and Chick-fil-A, a proud partner of the California Capital Air Show. Visit Chick-fil-A at Rancho Cordova on Sunrise and Zinfandel, near where we're staying at the hotel. Great food and service, and we thank them. Here comes the F-22 Raptor. Cabo will be climbing out here shortly. We'll give him a huge round of applause. Before we get to that, if I can make one other important announcement. Would an ice cold beer please report to the announcer's stand immediately? An ice cold beer. Would a Budweiser please report to the announcer's stand immediately? Thank you very much. On your way out, there is a plan to get you out of here as quickly as possible. We do invite you to stay and see the exhibits, visit the airplanes, read all the placards and things about the Air Force and its 75 years, all beautifully displayed here. Take some time, follow the direction of the marshals. The police are on it, and they will get you out of here the fastest route possible. Just follow their instructions. And again, we thank you for coming out and supporting this great community non-profit event. The scholarships that will forward this community that are paid for as a result of this wonderful weekend. So we thank you for your support, and to all the volunteers, a huge thank you for getting it done.
Through the